Today we're going to be making my delicious Crockpot Carnitas. And we're going to be adding our spices, cumin, dark chili powder, cayenne, adobo, some lime juice, a little chipotle paste, pineapple, and orange juice. So I'll show you this one. And here's two. There. Fits perfect. We're going to start by putting some lime juice on it. Nice portion of it. Then we're going to splash some orange juice over it. Sprinkle on some adobo. Some cayenne powder. Some cumin. And some dark chili powder. Rub that around. Wash my hands. I'm gonna put on some Chipotle marinade. I'm gonna rub that around. Then I'm going to put this crushed pineapple on top here. Rub that around too. Alright, now I'm going to put the top on and let it cook down for a long time. Alright, so I just turned this off. So this carnitas has been cooking in the slow cooker for 10 hours. And look how nice it falls apart. You guys like the carnitas?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so alright, you're going to have a burrito. You want beans on your burrito?
Sure.
Yeah? Alright, let's put some beans. These are Bush's La Fiesta beans, black beans. They got corn and peppers in them. Alright. So this carnitas is good for burritos, quesadillas. You want rice?
Yeah.
Alright. This is just Zatarain's Spanish rice. So the rice and beans are just simple. Zatarain's and Bush's. So you can see there's the Spanish rice and the beans all in there. All right, what do you want on here? Carnitas, right? All right, let's put some carnitas in here. Put some meat. There, look at that meat, so good. Nice and tender. You saw me marinate it. Okay, that's in there. You want onions or you want sauces first? This is Chipotle? Go ahead, put it on. Or it comes out faster, be careful. There you go. That's good? Is that the only one you want?
Yeah.
And then you want jalapenos, onions, or cilantro?
Cheese.
Cheese first? Okay. Do you want guacamole?
No thanks. Lettuce.
You don't want cilantro or any of this stuff? No? Lettuce? Do you want salsa? We got salsa? No? Sour cream?
A little bit.
Alright, let's do that first before the lettuce. Do you want those Flamin' Hot Cheetos in here?
Yeah.
Alright, let's put that in now. These are chili flavored Flamin' Hot Cheetos, and we have chili cheese Frito-Lays also. So we put these on top. Ooh, this smells spicy. And now, let's wrap this up. Put this here. And, oops. I'll get that in a second. And there you go. Here's one burrito for you.
Okay.
You want rice?
Scrumptious. Yeah.
You want beans?
Yeah, I want beans.
You want carnitas?
Yes.
Alright, we got some carnitas for you.
Oh no.
Alright, what do you want for toppings here?
I want some of this.
Go ahead, put that on. Taco Bell Fire taco sauce. Alright, what else? Anything else?
And I want all of this.
Wait, do you want any more sauces?
Nah.
No? So you want jalapenos?
Oh wait, hold on. I'll go over this one.
Sriracha? Hold it like that. Alright.
Yeah.
You want jalapenos?
Yeah.
You want onions?
Yeah.
You want cilantro?
Yeah.
Is this better than Moe's?
Yeah.
Is it better than Chipotle?
Yeah. I've never been to Chipotle.
No, but it's better, right?
Yeah, probably.
Cilantro. Oops. Alright. You want cheese?
Yeah.
You want salsa?
No.
Alright. You want
Oh, can I get some
guacamole?
lettuce?
Yeah, you want guacamole?
No.
You want sour cream?
No.
And you want the Cheetos?
Yeah.
Some lettuce. Alright, let's wrap this one up. How is it, Wyatt?
So good. Scrumptious. Best ever.
There you go, buddy.